Today I'm going to show you how to repair a faulty laptop, step by step. First things first, power off your laptop completely. Unplug the charger and remove any peripherals like your mouse or USB drives. Next, I'm putting on my anti-static wrist strap and clipping it to my ESD mat. This keeps any static electricity from zapping your components. Now I'll hold the power button down for about 10 seconds to fully discharge any leftover electricity. Flip the laptop over gently, safety first, always. With a precision screwdriver I remove all visible screws from the back panel. I like to keep my screws in a labeled container so nothing gets lost. Using a plastic spudger I carefully work around the edges, prying the chassis open without cracking the plastic. Go slow, patience pays off. Here's the inside. See this big block? That's the battery. I'll use a nylon tool to disconnect the battery connector. Always wait a few seconds after unplugging, just in case. Next, I check the motherboard, fan, RAM, SSD and cables for anything burnt, loose or dusty. A quick brush and a flashlight help spot hidden debris. Sometimes I'll use a multimeter to double-check voltages too. Alright, let's fix the issue. I unclip the RAM and carefully swap it with a new stick. If you're dealing with overheating, this is also a good time to replace thermal paste under the heatsink or clean a faulty fan. Now reconnect the battery, put the back cover on, and tighten the screws one by one. Don't rush. Moment of truth, plug in the charger, power it on, and watch it boot up. I always open Task Manager or check system info to make sure everything's running smoothly. All done, laptop repaired and tested. Handle every component with care, and you'll save yourself a ton of headaches. Like, follow, or subscribe for more tech repair tips.